Welcome to Adobe Photoshop Express, Part 2 of 4 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Video includes crop, corrections, spot heal, basic, borders, preferences. In order to work along with the tutorial, it may be necessary for you to have two open windows side by side. It does not matter if one window is a website and the other is an application or program. The steps of maximizing or restoring down a window is the same for both. We will be using the website YouTube and Notepad as examples. The opening slides will suggest different methods. Please see slides 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 before continuing with the tutorial. In the upper right corner, there is a Maximize Restore Down button. Restore Down reduces the window to half its size, as you see below. Maximize Restore Down button becomes a single square. When window is maximized, it fills the entire screen, and the button is a double square. You can adjust the width and the height by hovering the cursor on the right, left, top, or bottom edge of the window. The cursor will change from a normal arrow to an arrow with points at each end. You can then resize the window. Arrows are shown in red for better visibility. Arrows will be white on the screen. You can move the window to a new location on the screen by placing the cursor near the top, blue arrow, and holding down the left mouse button. Then drag it to the new location and release the mouse button. If you do not have Microsoft Word on your computer and you are using Windows operating system, you can use Notepad to open two windows side by side. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left corner. Scroll down to Windows Accessories and click. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Notepad. Notepad size can be adjusted just like Word using the same steps. You can also save, open, print, copy, paste, and more using Notepad. After adjusting the first window, open a second window and repeat the steps. As you can see, the second window overlapped the first. Place your cursor near the top of the second window. Cursor should be a white arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the second window off of the first window. The two windows will be side by side, allowing you to follow the instructions in this video. However, using this method will require you at times to use the right side and bottom scroll sliders. A second method is to use the Minimize button, which will drop a window down to the taskbar. Click on it to open it up. Using this method does require you to switch back and forth between the two windows. Just pause the video, minimize the window, and open up the other window. The last suggestion is to take your laptop or smartphone to a library and use one of the library computers. Open the tutorial on a computer or smartphone and use the other to follow along with the tutorial. Click on the Adobe Photoshop Express icon to open the app. Click on the picture library to select a picture. Click the picture and click Open. Or click on the camera to open the picture files of the camera while it is connected to a computer. Select a picture and click Open. To change pictures, simply click the blue square with the white arrow in the top left corner and it returns to the opening screen that you see on the right side of your screen. Crop tab. With Crop tab, you can rotate, flip, straighten, and even create banners for other websites such as Facebook and YouTube. Crop tab continued. Crop tab also has numerous sizes to choose from. Adjustment slider. Remember, all commands will have an adjustment slider to control the amount of effects you add to the picture. Corrections tab light command has 6 light variations: exposure, contrast, highlights, whites, blacks, shadows. Corrections tab color command has 4 color variations: temperature, tint, vibrance, saturation. Correction tab effects command has 5 color variations: clarity, grain, dehaze, fade, and vignette. Corrections tab details has 3 color variations: sharpen, reduce luminosity noise, reduce color noise. Corrections tab split tone command has 3 color variations: highlights, shadows, balance. Corrections tab blur iOS command only has 2 variations: radial, full. Spot heal tab. Spot heal allows you to remove blemishes and other features, including an adjustable brush. Fix red eye tab. Red eye works well on both humans and animals. Borders tab basic command has 13 borders: normal, vignette, vignette black, bevel, bevel black, thin, thin black. Borders tab basic command continued: circle, circle black, vertical stripe, horizontal stripe, vertical border, horizontal border, snapshot. Borders tab edges command has 7 borders: film, film emulsion, rough edge, halftone, dragged, edge stroke, soft edge. Borders tab frame command has 11 frames: matte, modern, wood, dark wood, modern matte, bleached wood. Border tab frames command continued: bleached matte, old-timey, old-timey matte, redwood, redwood matte. Preferences has several features. Data usage is tracked by Adobe in order to help improve the product. This feature can be turned off by clicking on the white circle. Preferences offers image resize for sharing. Selections includes the original size and pixel sizes of 800, 1366, 1920, 2000, 4000, and custom. Preferences also provides JPEG quality. The higher the quality, the larger the file size. You can select low, medium, high, very high, or maximum. This concludes the Adobe Photoshop Express Part 2. Thank you for joining us for Part 2. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining Parts 3 and 4 of Adobe Photoshop Express. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this video, please contact me at gterry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.